In this section, you will learn how to use layer box. There are different ways to open the layer box. The first method is that the layer box can be opened with the layer box button in the data menu, or the layer box can be opened with the layer icon button in the left corner of the screen. Another method is to click on the layer icon listed in the third row from the top in the button group in the lower right corner of the screen. There are 11 different features at the top of the layer box. First button opens the new layer creation panel. All layers in the layer box are deleted when the delete button is clicked. It changes the visibility of all layers in the layer box when the change visibility button is clicked. With the Display System Files button, the layers saved in the system are listed. Clicking on the Show Share option lists the file you have shared, the files shared with you, and the user map shares. With the Previously Used Layers button, the layers that were added to the map before are listed. The hierarchy of the selected layer in the layer box can be changed with the up arrow and down arrow buttons. With the Drawing button, new drawings can be made on the selected layer in the layer box. With the Stylize Layer button, the style of the polygon, line, and point geometries in the layer can be changed. With the Analysis Chart button, analyses such as lines and bar charts can be created using the data contained in the layer selected in the layer box. With the Filter button in the layer, querying and filtering can be done within the layer selected in the layer box. Layer color can be changed easily with the Quick Change Color button on the left of each layer in the layer box. To select the layers in the layer box, the radio button to the right of the color selection is used. If you want to change the visibility of layers on the map, use the Change Visibility button. Layers can be deleted from the map and layer box with the button in the shape of the trash can. Next to each layer, there is an Options button for that layer. In these options, the Show Layer on Map option zooms the map to that layer. The attribute table of the layer is opened with the Open Attribute Table option. With Display GeoJSON Printout option, the GeoJSON and printout of the layer is displayed. With the Export option, the layer can be downloaded in different file types. Open Labels option is used to add labels to the layer. Layer settings allow various changes to be made within the layer. With the Merge Layer option, it allows two different layers to be combined over a specific spatial relationship. With the Empty Layer option, all data in the layer is deleted. The Save to System option allows the layer to be saved in the system. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.